Keyboard shortcuts are one of the best ways to improve productivity in PCB design. In this video, we'll go over how to set up keyboard shortcuts in OrCAD X. To start, go to Edit, Preferences, and open the Shortcuts section under System Preferences. Shortcuts are split into two tabs, User Interface and Commands. The User Interface tab covers actions like zooming, standard copy and paste features, and certain visibility options. Command shortcuts are used to enable commands commonly accessed through the floating toolbar and their related options. To set a shortcut, double-click in the shortcut cell, then press the desired hotkeys. If the shortcut is being used by another command, the tool will display an error message at the bottom of the window. Simply set a different hotkey. In some cases, shortcuts are pre-assigned and cannot be changed. To identify these, look for italicized text in the shortcut cell, or hover your mouse over the option to see if it is read-only. Once done, press OK to save your changes and return to your session. You can begin using your shortcuts as soon as they're set, and they will be preserved between OrCAD X sessions.